In today's video, I will walk you through how to view the price history of a stock on Yahoo Finance. To get started, make sure you have the Yahoo Finance app open on your device. Once you're on the home screen, you'll need to locate the stock whose price history you want to view. At the top of the screen, tap on the search bar. Enter the name of the stock you're interested in. In this example, you can search for Apple and select Apple Equity from the results that appear. After opening the stock page, you'll be able to see information related to that stock. Scroll down to the section where the chart is displayed. By default, the chart will usually show the stock's performance over one day. If you want to view a longer period, look below the graph where different time ranges are available. You can tap on the option for 5 days if you want to see the price history over the last 5 days. You can also select 1 month to view how the stock has performed during the last month. If you want to look further back, you can choose the 6-month option and review the changes that occurred over that time period. There are additional time ranges available as well. You can switch between the different options depending on how much historical information you want to see. If you want to view an even larger time frame, select the maximum option. This allows you to view the longest price history available for that stock. Once the graph changes, you can move across the chart and explore the price movements over time. You can also choose the 5-year chart if you want to focus specifically on the stock's performance over the last 5 years. Simply tap the corresponding option, and the graph will update automatically. As you switch between the different time ranges, the graph will refresh and display the stock's price history for the selected period. You can continue moving through the available options and compare how the stock has changed across different time frames. Feel free to interact with the graph and explore the data that appears. You can switch back and forth between 1 day, 5 days, 1 month, 6 months, 5 years, or the maximum view at any time. That's all there is to it. By searching for a stock and using the chart options below the graph, you can quickly view the price history of any stock on Yahoo Finance and explore different time periods with just a few taps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.